What are the 5 coins that are expected to list on Binance in 2023? That is what we're going to discuss in this video. And of course, we're not talking about the whole 2023. We already have passed the first half of this year. So we're going to talk about the 5 new coins that will get listed in the second half of this year, that is 2023. Binance is known as a crypto exchange that supports many cryptocurrencies on its platform, but it is very selective. It is very picky about the coins that it lists, and that is one of the reasons why Binance new listings cause great excitement among traders. So in this video, we'll take a look at the coins that are most likely to be listed on the Binance exchange in the remaining half of 2023. The first one that we have is Wall Street Memes, which is a project that I have reviewed on my channel. You can watch the complete video. It is one of the cryptocurrencies that has caused great excitement for a possible listing on the Binance that stands out. It basically leverages the power of meme culture. You'll get all the details in the video itself. It aims to challenge the traditional financial institutions with the power of online humor. Now, with a solid social media following, which is over 1.1 million Degen followers, this project basically has a solid foundation for a successful stock market launch in the future. So they do have an ongoing pre-sale phase of the project, which so far has raised an impressive $15,200,000, which is really massive. And this is an indication of the interest of large investors in the project. Now, as an important note, it should also be noted that the Wall Street Memes, the team of the Wall Street Memes have given hints that the WSM token, which is the native token, it will be listed in tier 1 centralized exchanges in their project roadmap. The next one that we have is BTC20. Now, this is another coin, new coin that will be added on the Binance this year. It is an Ethereum-based token, which is said to be designed to pay homage to the early days of Bitcoin. It also offers a lucrative staking protocol, which is aimed to provide recurring tokenized rewards. Now, unlike the original Bitcoin, BTC20 was created using an energy-efficient proof-of-stake model, and we know that the Bitcoin itself is not on the proof-of-stake; it is actually on the proof-of-work. And thanks to this consensus mechanism, POS, users can earn tokenized rewards that is proportional to the BTC20 tokens that they stake. You don't have to mine these tokens, and because of the proof of stake consensus mechanism. Now, according to the project's white paper, this staking system encourages long-term participation and maintains price stability. Now, although BTC20 is still in development, the developers have made available 6.05 million BTC20 tokens, with each token being $1 each, which is reflecting the price and the supply of Bitcoin in the April 2011. Now, according to the project's roadmap, 3 million BTC20 tokens are planned to be launched first, but the remaining 3.05 million BTC20 tokens are targeted to be released if the pre-sale reaches the soft cap target. Now, the next one that we have is Predict. This is an AI-powered platform that offers valuable analytics tools for traders and SEO professionals. Now, Predict platform includes features such as market sentiment analysis, automatic chart recognition, advanced technical indicators, and AI-powered buy-sell signals. Now, besides being crypto-based, the project is trying to open up a new field for SEO with an AI-powered backlink estimator. Additionally, Predict's team has launched a tool that is called ALTPump001, which increases the attractiveness of the platform, and it helps traders identify alternative cryptocurrencies that have the potential to outperform in terms of market performance. And there are already speculations that the project, for which $3 million of funds were collected in its pre-sale, will be included in the Binance list. Now, the next one that we have, this is the fourth one, that is called ChimpZ. This is a Web3 based ecosystem that is designed to assist animal and reinforced conservation efforts. This ecosystem, it includes the shop to earn store, where ChimpZ products they're sold, the trade to earn NFT marketplace with a fee sharing system, and the play to earn game that rewards players with ChimpZ token, their native token. Now, importantly, ChimpZ also demonstrates its commitment to wildlife conservation by committing to donate 10% of the total ChimpZ token supply to charity. In addition, users can use their ChimpZ tokens to purchase NFT passports that provide special rewards and discounts. Now, ChimpZ is currently in the phase 7 of the pre-sale, and they already have raised $860,000 in funding. At this stage, potential investors they can purchase ChimpZ tokens at a price of $0.0007, and they can get a bonus of up to 125%, depending on the amount that they invested. Now, the next one that we have that has the possibility of getting listed on the Binance, that is PSYOP. Now, pronunciation of this is pretty tricky, so I'll leave it to you guys on what you want to call it. This is a new coin that aims to capitalize on the popularity of low cap cryptocurrencies to generate substantial returns for early investors. This token was initially launched in mid-May to capitalize on the meme coin craze that started with the phenomenal rise of the Pepe token. Although this coin has made gains at first, it showed almost no price momentum in June and July, and it actually experienced a significant decline. Fortunately for the token holders, the token has unexpectedly revived, and it gained 812% in the recent days. And according to DEX tools, it currently has a market cap of $835 million and has achieved a substantial listing on CoinMarketCap. So the momentum around this token is still high, which is increasing its potential to become the next trending meme coin that will be listed on the Binance. And that is the list that we have for this video. I'll give you guys the links that will be in the description of all these projects. As always, which is something that I should have said in the start, it is not a financial advice. I'm not asking you to invest in any of these cryptocurrencies. We're just talking about, we're just gaining knowledge here about these things. So investing is entirely up to you. So make sure that you do your own studies and research. If you like this video and if you agree with me or if you have your own opinion about it, make sure that you let me know in the comment section. And I'll really appreciate it if you can like this video, share it with your friends, and a subscribe to the channel will be really, really amazing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.